Hey guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a Pina Colada Mocktail. This is a great recipe if you're entertaining some friends. You can obviously add some alcohol in here if you're wanting to on the weekend. It's entirely up to you. Alright, so let's get started. I'm using the Vitamix Ascent Series A3500i. I've got some beautiful ingredients over here. I'm going to firstly start with some coconut cream. So just about 1 cup, or just enough to sort of cover the blades there. Beautiful. And we're going to put in some pineapple. You put in the core as well. You know, maybe 2 cups of pineapple there. I've got some passion fruit. Going to give it an absolutely delicious flavor. You usually wouldn't put that in your pina colada, your traditional pina colada, but that's going to taste beautiful. Really nice summer flavor. And let's put in a whole banana just to thicken it up a little bit. And I've also got a whole lime we're going to put in there. I'm going to put some ice. All right, we want a nice sort of frozen drink consistency. I think that looks beautiful. Let's lock our lid into place. I'm going to start it, we better turn this one on. I'm going to start it on slow speed. We're going to work it up to 10. Yeah. Look at that. How good does that smell? That beautiful coconut flavor. Serve out some of that. So we want that beautiful, nice, icy, thick consistency. It's exactly how we want it to look. And let's try some of that. Oh, so good. You can put alcohol in there if you want, a little bit of Bacardi or some vodka. It's entirely up to you. Happy blending.